Welcome to the ultimate guide on transforming your glutes. If you've ever wondered how just 4 exercises could dramatically enhance your lower body strength and appearance, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best moves that not only sculpt and strengthen, but also boost your performance and reduce pain. Stay tuned, because these tips and tricks are game changers. When it comes to enhancing your physique, the glutes are often a focal point not only for aesthetic appeal, but also for their crucial role in overall body functionality. A well-toned, muscular butt isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and capable in your daily activities and sports. Yet many individuals struggle to achieve their desired results, often due to common training mistakes such as improper form, insufficient load, or lack of exercise variety. In this video, we're going to explore 4 powerhouse exercises that are all you need to grow your glutes effectively. These exercises are not just about achieving a rounder, firmer butt. They're also designed to enhance your athletic performance, support your lower back, and alleviate hip pain. We'll break down each exercise in detail, ensuring you know exactly how to perform them for maximum effectiveness. Remember, the key to success in any fitness endeavor is consistency and proper technique. So let's dive in and discover the optimal ways to train your glutes for the best results. The importance of glute training. Glute training goes beyond the superficial goals of shaping and toning. It's fundamentally about enhancing your overall physical health and athletic performance. Strong glutes are essential for a variety of reasons. 1. Improve athletic performance. Strong glutes are crucial for explosive movements, speed, and power in sports. They help athletes run faster, jump higher, and perform better, whether it's on the soccer field, during a sprint, or in a CrossFit box. 2. Better posture and body alignment. The glutes work in concert with the core to support your spine, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of injuries. Weak glutes can lead to poor posture, lower back pain, and other musculoskeletal imbalances. 3. Reduced lower back and hip pain. A common issue among adults is lower back pain, often stemming from sedentary lifestyles and weak posterior chain muscles, including the glutes. Strong glutes ensure proper hip and spine alignment, which can alleviate chronic pain. 4. Enhanced daily functional movements. From climbing stairs to lifting heavy objects, strong glutes make everyday activities easier and more efficient. They are essential for movements that involve bending, lifting, and twisting. Progressive overload for muscle growth. To grow muscle, including the glutes, you must continually challenge them with increasing resistance or intensity, a principle known as progressive overload. This concept involves gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or number of repetitions in your strength training routine to stimulate muscle growth and strength gains over time. By focusing on targeted exercises that emphasize the glutes, you can ensure that these muscles receive the stress and adaptation signals they need to grow stronger and more defined. Understanding the importance of glute training can help you prioritize these exercises in your routine, leading to better health, improved functionality, and, of course, a more aesthetically pleasing figure. Exercise 1. Barbell Hip Thrust. The barbell hip thrust is renowned for its effectiveness in isolating and building the glute muscles, particularly the gluteus maximus, which is the largest and most superficial of the 3 gluteal muscles. This exercise not only enhances the aesthetic appearance of the glutes, but also improves pelvic stability and hip mobility, which are crucial for both daily activities and athletic performance. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Setup. Begin by sitting on the ground with a bench directly behind you. Have a loaded barbell over your legs. Using a padded barbell is advisable to reduce discomfort. Lean back against the bench so that it crosses underneath your shoulder blades. Feet should be planted firmly on the ground, about hip-width apart. Step 2. Positioning. Roll the barbell over your hips. Ideally, it should sit directly above your hips and below your lower abdomen. Ensure your chin is tucked and your spine is in a neutral position to avoid unnecessary strain on your neck and lower back. Step 3. Execution. Drive through your heels, extending your hips vertically through the bar. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top and hold the position for a moment. Step 4. Return. Lower the barbell back down to the starting position, controlling the movement throughout. Tips for maximizing effectiveness. Foot placement. Adjust your foot placement to find the position where you feel your glutes activate the most. Some may find a slightly wider stance more effective. Hip extension. Make sure to fully extend your hips at the top without overarching your lower back. Focus on squeezing your glutes to get the most out of the top position. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight as you become more comfortable with the exercise. This will ensure continuous improvement and adaptation. The barbell hip thrust is a versatile exercise that can be modified with different weights, rep schemes, or even by adding bands for extra resistance. Integrating this exercise into your routine will significantly contribute to stronger, more developed glutes. Exercise 2. Bulgarian Split Squat. The Bulgarian Split Squat is a dynamic exercise that combines elements of both squats and lunges, targeting the glutes, quads, and hamstrings with a unilateral approach that also challenges balance and coordination. This exercise is particularly effective for isolating the glutes and ensuring that both sides of the body work independently, promoting symmetrical strength development. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Setup. Stand a couple of feet in front of a bench or a sturdy elevated surface. Extend one leg back and place the top of your foot on the bench. Step 2. Positioning. Position your front foot far enough forward that when you descend into the squat, your knee stays aligned with your ankle. This prevents undue stress on the knee joint. Step 3. Execution. Lower your body by bending your front knee and hip, keeping your torso upright and your core engaged. Lower until your front thigh is parallel to the ground or as low as you can comfortably go without compromising form. The knee of the back leg should get close to the floor but shouldn't touch it. Step 4. Return. Drive through the heel of your front foot, extending your knee and hip to return to the starting position. Complete all reps on one side before switching to the other leg. Tips for maximizing effectiveness. Glute activation. To focus more on the glutes, lean your torso slightly forward during the descent. This increases the hip hinge movement, which intensifies glute engagement. Controlled movements. Maintain slow and controlled movements to enhance muscle activation and minimize the risk of injury. Depth of squat. The deeper you go, the more you activate your glutes. Aim to lower your body until your front thigh is at least parallel to the ground. Variations for increased difficulty. Weighted Bulgarian split squat. Hold dumbbells by your sides or a barbell across your shoulders to add resistance and increase intensity. Pulse Bulgarian split squat. Add a small pulsing movement at the bottom of the squat to increase time under tension for the glutes and legs. Including the Bulgarian split squat in your routine will not only strengthen and sculpt your glutes, but also improve your balance and unilateral functional strength, which are vital for both everyday activities and athletic performance. Exercise 3. Deadlifts, Romanian. The Romanian deadlift, RDL, is a powerful exercise targeting the posterior chain, which includes the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. It's particularly effective for developing the glutes due to its emphasis on hip hinge mechanics, making it an essential exercise for anyone looking to enhance their lower body strength and aesthetics. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Setup. Start with a barbell placed on the ground. Approach the bar so that it is close to your shins and you are standing with your feet hip-width apart. Step 2. Grip and position. Bend at your hips and knees and grasp the barbell with an overhand grip. Your hands should be just outside your legs. Straighten your back before lifting by pulling your shoulder blades together and pushing your chest out. Step 3. Execution. Lift the bar by extending your hips and knees. Keep the bar close to your body as you rise. Focus on moving your hips forward rather than pulling up with your back. As the bar passes your knees, drive your hips forward and squeeze your glutes to stand up completely straight. Avoid leaning back at the top of the movement. Step 4. Return. Lower the bar back to the ground by pushing your hips back and keeping your legs relatively straight. Maintain a flat back throughout the descent. The bar should travel down close to your legs, landing softly on the ground. Tips for maximizing effectiveness. Hip hinge. Focus on the hip hinge movement, pushing your hips back and then driving them forward. This maximizes glute and hamstring engagement. Neck alignment. Keep your neck in a neutral position by focusing your gaze on a point on the ground a few feet in front of you. Controlled pace. Maintain a slow, controlled pace on the way down to increase the time under tension for the muscles, enhancing muscle growth. Common mistakes to avoid. Rounding the back, always keep your spine in a neutral position to prevent strain on your lower back. Lifting too much weight too soon. Start with a weight that allows you to maintain proper form and gradually increase as your strength improves. Variations for progression. Single leg Romanian deadlift. This variation increases the challenge on your balance and targets each leg individually, which can help correct muscle imbalances. Dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Using dumbbells can offer a different grip and range of motion, which might be more comfortable or challenging depending on the individual. Romanian deadlifts are not just effective for building a bigger, stronger butt, they also enhance overall body strength and stability. Incorporating this exercise into your routine will provide comprehensive benefits across your entire posterior chain. Exercise 4. Squat variations. Squats are a staple in any fitness regimen due to their comprehensive engagement of the lower body muscles, especially the glutes. To maximize glute development and add variety to your training, incorporating different squat variations can be highly beneficial. Here we'll explore a few effective squat variations that target the glutes more intensely. Step-by-step guide. 1. Sumo squat. Setup. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing outwards. Execution. Keeping your back straight and chest up. Lower your body by bending your knees until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Ensure your knees are aligned with your toes. Press through your heels to return to the starting position. Focus. The wider stance increases the recruitment of the inner thigh and glutes. 2. Box squat. Setup. Place a box or bench behind you that's at a height where your thighs will be parallel to the ground when you sit. Execution. Perform a squat by lowering yourself back and down until your buttocks touch the box. Pause briefly, then drive through your heels to stand back up. Focus. The pause eliminates momentum, forcing your glutes to engage more intensely to initiate the upward face. 3. Goblet squat. Setup. Hold a kettlebell or dumbbell close to your chest with both hands, feet shoulder width apart. Execution. Squat down while keeping the weight stable and close to your body, then rise back up. Focus. Holding the weight in front helps maintain a more upright torso, which reduces the strain on the lower back and increases glute activation. Tips for maximizing effectiveness. Depth of squat. To maximize glute activation, aim to lower yourself until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor or deeper if your mobility allows. Posture. Keep your chest up and back straight throughout the movement to engage the core and protect your spine. Foot placement. Experiment with different foot positions and widths. A slightly turned out foot can sometimes help activate the glutes more effectively. Integrating variations. Incorporate these variations into your routine to prevent plateauing and to keep your workouts challenging and engaging. Each variation can be used on different days or combined in a single session for a comprehensive glute workout. Squat variations not only enhance the aesthetic appearance of the glutes, but also improve functional strength, balance, and flexibility. By adjusting angles and positions, you can target the muscles slightly differently, which contributes to better muscle growth and symmetry. Integrating exercises into a routine. To maximize the growth and strength of your glutes, it's crucial to integrate the exercises we've discussed into a well-structured routine. Here are some guidelines to help you create an effective workout plan that promotes consistent progress and prevents overtraining. Frequency and volume. Frequency. Aim to train your glutes 2 to 3 times per week. This allows for optimal muscle recovery and growth between sessions. Volume. Start with 3 to 4 sets of each exercise, performing 8 to 12 repetitions per set. Adjust the volume and intensity based on your fitness level and progress. Order of exercises. Begin your workout with the most demanding exercises when your energy levels are highest. For instance, start with barbell hip thrusts and Romanian deadlifts, as these require more strength and stability. Follow up with Bulgarian split squats and finish with the various squat variations, as these can be more about volume and technique. Progressive overload. Continuously challenge your muscles by increasing the weight, the number of repetitions, or the number of sets over time. This gradual increase will stimulate muscle growth and strength. Track your progress and make adjustments to ensure continuous improvement. Use a workout log to keep track of weights, reps, and personal feedback. Combining with other exercises. While focusing on the glutes, don't neglect other muscle groups. Incorporate upper body, core, and other lower body exercises into your routine to ensure a balanced workout program. Consider including non-weighted functional exercises like step-ups and lunges, which can also help improve muscle coordination and balance. Recovery and rest. Allow adequate recovery between glute workouts to prevent fatigue and injury. Ensure you're getting enough sleep and managing stress, as these factors significantly affect muscle recovery. Include stretching and mobility work to maintain muscle elasticity and joint health, which are crucial for performing exercises correctly and safely. Nutrition and hydration. Support your workout routine with proper nutrition. Focus on a balanced diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel muscle growth and recovery. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts to optimize performance and aid in recovery processes. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to developing stronger, more defined glutes and enhancing your overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key in any fitness journey, so stay committed to your routine and adjust as needed based on your progress and goals. Congratulations on taking a crucial step towards enhancing your physical health and aesthetics by focusing on glute training. As we wrap up, it's essential to emphasize the importance of commitment and patience. Transforming your body takes time, effort, and consistent dedication. Here are a few final thoughts to keep you motivated and on track. Mindful training. Always prioritize form over weight. Proper technique ensures you target the muscles effectively and reduces the risk of injury. Listen to your body. If something feels off, it probably is. Adjust your form, reduce the weight, or take extra rest days as needed. Holistic approach. Remember, training is just one part of the equation. Nutrition, hydration, and sleep play equally important roles in your fitness journey. Consider integrating mental health practices like meditation or yoga to enhance overall well-being and recovery. Community and support. Join fitness communities online or in your local area. Sharing your journey and learning from others can provide motivation and valuable insights. Consider working with a personal trainer or coach if you're unsure about your form or need a personalized plan. Stay updated. Keep learning. The fitness world is always evolving, and new techniques or findings might enhance your training regimen. Subscribe to fitness channels, rate the latest research, and stay engaged with content that fosters your growth and understanding. Next steps. Don't stop here. What you've learned today about glute training is a foundation. Build on it by exploring more exercises, varying your routines, and challenging yourself as you progress. Look out for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced glute exercises and discuss how to overcome common plateaus. Your journey to a stronger, more toned butt can significantly impact your overall fitness and confidence. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Every rep brings you one step closer to your goals. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, the path to fitness is always more rewarding when you enjoy the journey. Stay strong, stay motivated, and let's keep moving forward together.